Hello and welcome to English Stories. Today we will listen to a story about time, doubt, and the courage to begin again. In a small apartment in a crowded city, there lived a man named Daniel. Daniel was 36 years old, and he felt behind in life. Every night he sat by the window and watched the lights of the city. He scrolled through his phone and saw people his age starting businesses, traveling the world, buying houses, celebrating success. They started earlier, he would whisper to himself. I'm too late. Daniel had dreams once. He wanted to write a book. He wanted to change careers. He wanted to build something meaningful. But every year he told himself the same thing. Next year. And next year always became another excuse. Daniel worked in an office he did not love. Every morning he looked at the clock more than he looked at his computer screen. He was good at his job, reliable, responsible, safe, but inside he felt restless. During lunch breaks, he would open a blank document on his laptop. He would stare at the blinking cursor. It felt like the cursor was asking him a question. What are you waiting for? He would type one sentence, then delete it. People my age are already successful writers, he thought. I should have started 10 years ago. And so he closed the laptop again. One evening, unable to sleep, Daniel went for a walk in a quiet park. An older man was sitting on a bench, reading a book under a street lamp. You look like someone carrying a heavy thought, the old man said without looking up. Daniel laughed softly. I think I'm too late to start over. The old man closed his book. Too late for what? To become what I wanted to be, the old man smiled. Do you know when I started writing my first book? Daniel shook his head. I was 52. Daniel stared at him. I thought I was late too, the man continued. But I realized something important. The only time you are truly late is when you decide not to begin. Those words stayed with Daniel long after the conversation ended. The next night, Daniel opened his laptop again. The cursor blinked, but this time it did not feel like pressure. It felt like opportunity. He began to type, not perfectly, not brilliantly, not confidently, but honestly. Hours passed. For the first time in years, he did not look at the clock. He forgot to compare himself to others. He simply wrote, and something inside him shifted. He realized he was not racing anyone. He was building something. Months passed. Daniel kept writing. Some days were difficult, some days were slow, but he no longer said, I'm too late. One morning he held the first printed copy of his book in his hands. It was not a bestseller, it was not famous, but it was real, and so was his progress. He understood something powerful. Life is not a competition of timing, it is a test of courage. The world does not ask when you start, it asks if you start. Daniel once believed he was too late. Now he knew the truth. You are never too late to become who you were meant to be. Thank you for watching. If this story inspired you, remember, today is not too late.